weeks ago, I didn't know this was happening until Carlos at CMJets invited me. 2 flights with a layover and we're here. A bunch of friends with 3D aerobatic models going absolutely nuts. Air horns and seeing who has the cojones to get the lowest, scratch the plane without doing too much damage. It's going to be an epic weekend.
15 plane mass hover followed by high-speed knife edge, nighttime fun fly, fireworks, pyro and a swimming pool. This video's got everything.
Comments?
Not bad for our old guy.
Do it again.
No.
Vale. Está buena.
Oops again. Yeah, we're not very good at this.
Pickering en acción. Diola, diola.
Funfly.
With all these trees around, this must be about the only flying site where I'm not wishing that I was the one flying this Matrix. think we definitely need one of these inflatable pools next time we head out to Dubai for Gonzo. I mean, think about it. Dubai heat, flying, and a swimming pool to cool off in while flying. Now that really would be something else.
Carlos from CMJets. A rare sight, holding a radio and actually flying
Yes, I am. It's me.
in space. Somewhere up there.
Le dio con lo bueno. Y ella grabó el ala directamente. Ay, 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 oh.
I'm not too sure whose bright idea this was, but someone said, hey, let's all fly together, all at once, and do a massive prop hang. What could ever go wrong?
Vamos, Adrián.
The video doesn't quite portray just how loud and chaotic this hover was. But all in all, it was okay. That was until some bright spark shouted out, "Knife edge, full power, right to left." Absolute chaos. Now if you look at the extra that I'm flying, there's something wrong with the elevators. They shouldn't be moving like that.
Well, that was different.
What?
Don't know what went on there. So it turns out that the screw holding the arm in came out. The servo arm came off as well, but somehow it got caught on the wood, which meant that it couldn't come out all the way. The servo obviously moved, and then the arm somehow, again, fell back into the servo in a different location. Oh well, no harm done, other than a little bit of a scratch on the landing. It's a really weird feeling though to hold full up elevator and the plane to continue going pretty much straight.
Nighttime funfly is getting ready, although more than a funfly, it's going to be survival of the craziest. We've got this swinging axe
This is going to be interesting.
while trying to fly through the loop, limbo and balloon popping.
Pyro Pedro.
Now, as I wasn't originally coming, I didn't know that these guys had all brought these about €7 Chinese ready to fly little toy planes, which is a shame because they actually flew really well.
The challenge for tonight is for someone to try and catch one of these planes in their mouth. You don't hear that every day.
Casi.
The spot landing was actually quite tricky because the rule was any part of the plane had to be over the small circle, otherwise it didn't count.
Pero ¿por qué me habéis puesto el globo tan bajito?
That translates as why did you put the balloons so low when I'm flying an XL foamy?
No veo la luz. Espera. Ya, vale.
Try doing that one again.
¿Cómo iba? Y aterrizaje a la vez.
Iba rápido, ¿eh?
¡Tiempo!
Así, así. Así está bueno. El limbo Harrier más.
Oh dear. There goes the XL foamy and the motor, and it kind of pulled the wires out of the speed controller. I think you eliminated.
Vale, pasa. Pasa.
Limbo's getting lower and lower. Remind me not to get on the wrong side of Ivan.
So apparently I won the fun fly, somehow going under about that much more than the plane in the limbo. Great evening, even if it is coming up to 2 a.m. Based on the current time, I'm not sure how many people are going to be here in the morning, so we'll leave it here. But this is what events should be like. A load of friends having fun together at a flying field with their planes, ragging the out of them and just having fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed being here. If you did, leave us a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll see you all in the next one.